Hi everyone, welcome to victoriapieking.com, and today we are going to make those amazing chewy macaroons. They are made very easily and they are so good. So I hope you enjoy the idea and stay tuned. To the dry skillet, add 200 grams of coconut shreds. As you see, they're pretty large, and mix constantly until they get a little bit of color. Bake to eggs at room temperature until you get to soft peaks. Add quarter cup of agave, honey, or as I do maple syrup, but please just use a natural one. Better organic, but at least natural one. It's really nice. And continue to beat it together on low. When everything well beaten, add tablespoon of cocoa. It gives a lot of flavor. A bit of pink salt, just, you see, one bit, but you must have the pink salt here. And vanilla extract, half a teaspoon. Really, you don't need a lot. And mix all of the coconut inside. Mix it all together, like so. Start mixing it. And then add all the coconut. Mix it all. 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. You can use cornstarch, but please do use organic cornstarch, because it's genetically modified and not a good idea. And mix it all in. Form them to 8 to 9 cookies. Now they are, try to smoosh them together as you can, and pop to preheated oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 170 centigrade for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's try our creation. They are beauties. Chewy, awesome, and just wonderful. Enjoy the idea and don't forget to subscribe, write me a comment, thumbs up me, and cheers, Victoria. I love you all. See you next time. Please support my channel by visiting my shops. The links are in description box below. You will find the recipes for Halloween, holidays, and just for fun. We have kids books and game as well. Thank you for supporting me and my channel. Love you all. See you next time. Bye!